Hello, my name is 𝐏𝐢𝐬𝐳 Ananda. I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer. In today's video, I will be talking about myths of U.S. immigration, dispelling myths about U.S. immigration beyond the misconceptions. So let's talk about or debunk the widespread myths about U.S. immigration. Misconceptions can cloud our understanding and discussions about this critical topic. So let's dive deeper armed with facts and research to uncover the truths behind the myths. Myth 1. Immigrants take jobs from Americans. One prevalent myth is that immigrants take jobs from Americans. This simplifies the nuanced reality of our economy. Immigrants often fill roles in sectors experiencing labor shortages and are pivotal in sectors like agriculture, healthcare, and technology. They complement the workforce, sometimes in jobs less pursued by native-born workers, and their entrepreneurial spirit contributes significantly to job creation and economic expansion. Myth 2. Immigrants are a drain on the economy. Another myth suggests immigrants are a drain on the economy. Contrary to this, immigrants pay billions in taxes annually and play a vital role in the workforce. Their contributions help support essential programs like Social Security and Medicare, and they add more economic value than the public benefits they receive, debunking the myth of economic drain. Myth 3. Most immigrants enter the U.S. illegally. Many believe that most immigrants enter the U.S. illegally. In truth, a significant number of immigrants come through legal avenues, such as family reunification, employment visas, and as refugees or asylum seekers. Illegal entry does occur, but a large portion of undocumented immigrants initially enter legally and overstay their visas, challenging the notion of widespread illegal immigration. Myth number 4. Immigrants don't want to assimilate. The myth that immigrants don't want to assimilate is also widespread. However, many immigrants strive to learn English, engage with their communities, and adopt American customs while also enriching the cultural landscape with their traditions. The desire to integrate and contribute positively to society is strong among immigrant communities. Myth number 5. Immigrants bring crime and violence. A particularly harmful myth is that immigrants bring crime and violence to the United States. Research consistently shows that immigrants are less likely to commit crimes than native-born Americans. Communities with higher concentrations of immigrants often experience lower crime rates, challenging the baseless association of immigration with increased crime. Myth 6. Immigrants don't pay taxes. Another misconception is that immigrants don't pay taxes. Regardless of their legal status, immigrants pay taxes, sales taxes, property taxes directly or through rents, and even income taxes. The IRS provides individual taxpayer identification numbers or ITINs to ensure that everyone, regardless of immigration status, can pay taxes, contributing to federal, state, and local budgets. Myth 7. The U.S. is being overwhelmed by immigrants. Some argue that the U.S. is being overwhelmed by immigrants, fearing that the country's identity is at risk. However, immigrants make up a stable proportion of the U.S. population. The notion of being overwhelmed ignores the country's history as a melting pot and the benefits of diversity. Immigrants bring innovation, cultural richness, and vital skills to the economy, enhancing the nation's character rather than overwhelming it. In debunking these myths, we find a narrative far removed from negative stereotypes. Immigrants contribute significantly to the fabric of American society, economically, culturally, and socially. Understanding and acknowledging the realities of immigration can lead to more informed, compassionate, and constructive discussions about this vital issue. Thank you for joining me in challenging these myths, and let's continue to approach immigration with an open mind and a commitment to facts. Stay informed and join the conversation by subscribing and sharing this video. Together, we can dispel myths and embrace the truth. Again, I am 𝐏𝐢𝐬𝐳 Ananda, and I am a U.S. immigration lawyer.